Hi, how are you? My name is Saul. I'm a mortgage broker. Um, Today I'm going to talk about, bank give you pre-approval and you start looking for the house, and then when they give you formal approval, you can pay 10% deposit. So I'm going to tell you what is the difference between pre-approval and formal approval, and when the loan will could be denied. Some people think when they get pre-approval, that's it, they will get the loan won't be denied. But there's a lot of things. Even though you got a pre-approval, when you find the house, you won't get the loan. Okay, so I tell you the facts so you can be careful. Okay, so the first thing is, okay, you got a pre-approval from the bank or through a broker like me, and then you go and find a home, right? So these are the conditions. The bank could deny the loan approval. They are, if you change the job during the before you find the before you find the property, it's actually until you get the property. So once you get pre-approval, don't change job until you get your home in your hand. Okay, or you spent your deposit, you don't have the same deposit as you said you have after the pre-approval. Okay, or you found the property in an area that is not acceptable by the bank, so they don't accept the postcode, or you have you buy apartment in high rise that they don't accept, or the property is in not livable condition. That means they ran down property. You can't live there without renovation. Because bank take the property as a security, so they only lend you money if they accept the security, the property. Okay, and there's a couple of other conditions. Bank could deny your loan. Second last one is some of the pre-approval are just the auto system done by the system, not by human assessor. So because technology is so advanced these days, some bank, for this for them to save the cost of overhead, they give you system generated pre-approval. And this kind, this job is quite complicated. You need a human, because you're dealing with humans. Could be a lot of changes. There could be a lot of variable. So you need a human to check the things. So if a system check it, then it's not accurate. So if you rely on that pre-approval and buy the home, bank could end up denying you because the system hasn't checked all the data against the paperwork properly. Okay, also, if you don't have 20% deposit, you pay insurance for the bank, right? So if the bank use third-party insurance company, some banks don't have authority to approve the loan on behalf of insurer. So if that is the case, then they have to send application to the third party. Then it's higher chance that they could deny the insurer could deny the loan after the pre-approval. Okay, so it's better to go to the bank. Even if they use third party insurer, they have a authority to decide on the insurance assessment of your loan. Okay, so these are the fair. Even though you got pre-approval, you might not get formal, or bank might not give you the loan. Okay, so and then say everything okay, you get a formal approval and you pay 10%. Okay, even after formal approval, if these things happen, bank can still deny your loan before you get the property. That means you lose your deposit 10%. Okay, so when could that happen is when you think, you know, the bank done all the check, I can do whatever I want, and you go and start getting credit card, car loan, you know, then you might not have the borrowing power that you needed for the loan anymore. If that is the case, bank can deny your loan, so they won't settle your property. That means you lose 10% deposit. You know, if you start getting credit card or car loan after the formal approval, before the settlement. Okay, and also bank valuation only lasts 3 months. So if you buy off plan, we have to do, you know, valuation just 3 months before the settlement. Okay, so you got formal approval and you don't settle within the 3 months, then we have to do the loan again. That formal approval, you know, formal approval doesn't exist anymore if you don't settle within 3 months. Okay, so nothing is safe. You need to be careful. Okay, so if you come to a broker like me, I coach you every step so you don't lose 10% deposit, you don't lose the home, you know. Even when you get the home and the loan, I also help you pay off the loan ASAP. And then once you pay off certain amount, I help you buy more loan. I have you buy more home, because property is the safest asset you can build up with other people's money. So this is the safest asset which grow your wealth at a good rate, so you can retire comfortably, you know. Okay, there's another thing I want to tell you that's to do with, like, some people go to auction instead of, you know, private sales after they get pre-approval. Okay, you never get formal approval before you go auction. That's impossible. So people go auction with pre-approval. Okay, so there's high chance that bank can deny the loan after pre-approval before the formal. So I tell you things to be careful if you go to auction. Okay, firstly, a broker like me give you valuation estimate report, so you know how much to offer this property. Because if you over offer, what happen is you need a lot more saving to fill up the gap, because bank only lend you based on the valuation that they do, not the price that you offer at the auction. Okay, and if you got like system pre-approval, it's not safe. They haven't checked, bank haven't checked anything, they could easily deny you. But broker like me know which bank do, we call it coffee shop system pre-approval. Okay, and also LMI sign off. Okay, we know which bank do in-house sign off for LMI. So you need, there's 40 banks, you need to know which bank you are safer, you know. That's why please come to the broker like me. We don't charge you a cent. Okay, we only get paid by the bank if your loan successful and go through the settlement with us. Okay, and also if the bank don't take the security, don't take the property as a security, then you won't get the loan from this bank. But then if you go through a broker like me, I can take you to another bank who might take this property. Okay, so like I said before, bank don't take the property when they are unlivable condition, you can't live without fixing it. And some banks don't like high-rise apartment. Some banks don't like some postcode, especially if you have a strata property. Okay, these are the things you need to be careful if you go to auction. Okay, so life is complicated. And buying a property is complicated because we don't buy every month, right? But my customer buy every month, and I learn from. I'm very open-minded. I learn from everyone like a child. So you can come and ask me anything, anytime. I'm happy to help. My service is free to you, and my service is free to you for life. Bank only pay me when you settle the loan with them through me, but I don't just give the loan. I do a lot of value added extra service because I've been there, done that. I also have investment properties, and I want you to have everything that I don't even have. Okay, so I help you you are me, so don't worry. Okay, so as for today, that's the difference between pre-approval and formal approval, and what are the conditions the loan can be denied. Okay, I hope you like it. If you think this might be helpful to anyone I ask you to please like it and share it. I hope you have a nice day, nice weekend. Have a good week ahead. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.